Hi my respected friends, today is the video for our upcoming draw, Mahzooz draw, and in this video I will give you the best 5 numbers out of 49, powerful strategy, how to select your numbers, best numbers. I also gives you my 16 powerful numbers. First, my 16 powerful numbers out of 49, which has great chances to come. Friends, from 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers, 1, 2 or 3. You should select one number from here, from 1, 2 and 3. From 10 to 19 I have two numbers, 13 and 15. From 20 to 29, 21, 24, 25 and 29. From 30 to 39, friends, 33, 34 and 39. Last from 40 to 49, 42, 43, 47 and 48. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. Now come to the point, how you select 5 best numbers for your ticket. So from these 16 numbers, I have 6 best golden numbers. I will write here golden numbers. From these 16 numbers, number 1 is 34. Number 2 is 39. Number 3 is 42. Number 4, 43. Then 47. And last is 48. Friends, these are my 6 powerful numbers, golden numbers, which has very highly chances to come minimum 2 numbers and maximum 3 numbers from here. So the best combination, you should select 2 or 3 numbers from here. Remaining numbers you should select from these numbers 1, 2, 3, 13, 15, 21, 24, 25, 29 and 33. I repeat again, you should select 2 or 3 numbers from these 6 golden numbers and remaining numbers you should select from these numbers. This is the best combination. You should select your maximum numbers. Maximum numbers means 3 or 4 numbers between 20 to 48. 20 to 48. You should select 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. Okay friends, this is my overall prediction. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.